Hi, you guys. I'm on my way to the airport in Delhi. Last week, me and Siddharth went to Pune and we did the house hunt. We finalized the house, as you know, and I came back. Siddharth joined his new office, and then later during this week, we just I just packed everything in my previous house and. So now the truck is on its way to Pune, and it will reach there tomorrow. Today I am on my way to airport, going to Pune, finally saying goodbye to Delhi after 17 years permanently. I've been traveling a lot, but permanently the new home will be Pune. So that's all, you guys. Your wishes means a lot to us. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome to Pune and welcome back to the Unsent Letters by Sona. So today is 19th of April 2026 and it's been almost 1 month that we've been here in Pune. This video is all about relocation from Delhi to Pune, so let's dive into the video. So it's been 17 years that I was in Delhi. Me and Siddharth has permanently left Delhi and has moved to Pune. And it's not that I haven't been to other places to live earlier. Like did teach in different countries, if you know. And but home was always Delhi. I used to always come back to Delhi. But for the first time in life, it's like that. Home is now in Pune. Though mom, dad are there in your friends' colony, and my mother-in-law and father-in-law are also there in Delhi. But for me and Siddharth, for us, this is the place. So let me take you through everything, how it happened, and then I'm gonna show you the glimpses of relocation, that how we came to Pune first for deciding for the house hunt, and then later we decided the house. I went back to Delhi, packed everything in from the earlier house. You guys know that house if you have already subscribed to me, and how we moved to Pune. So I'll show you everything in a while, but let me tell you a background a little bit. So, if you follow me on Instagram, that reminds me, if you are new here, hi guys. And my Instagram is same, the Unsent Letters by Sona, and I would be glad if you'll follow me there. So if you already know that on my birthday, 1st March, I turned 35. Me, Siddharth, and my mom-in-law, we went to Thailand. So while we were in flight, Siddharth told me, babe, I have applied for this job in Pune. So Siddharth was in Merchant Navy and he has switched to the shore career. So I was like, yeah, okay, I took it very lightly. He was like, we're not going anywhere, Delhi is good for us. And so he just simply asked me, what if I get selected? It's like, that's gonna be good. But then he told me the name of the company. I was like, what? I don't think we'll get into it so early. We just moved to the show. It was like, I've got it. I've got it. Okay, fine. So what? They asked me to join in the next week. But babe, we are on our way to Thailand. So let's go back and decide. While coming back in the flight, Siddharth asked me, are we going? Because I'm not going without you. If we are shifting, we are shifting together because my reason to coming to shore is you. It's like, okay, let's go. So quickly. Like, yeah, let's go. But the main question is we haven't completed our lock-in period in Delhi. Like, our new house, you just know that we moved in, we've taken the new house, entered the new house, and we moved in there, and we talked to the landlord, and you know, it was like, okay, so somehow he's a nice guy, nice chap, and we came to the conclusion, and on 13th of 7th of March, we came back from Chiang Rai to back home Delhi. 13th of March 2026, which is last month, means Siddharth packed a small bag, booked the flight to Delhi, and with the help of our family friends, my dad's friends here, and my mama, mami also are here. So we started hunting the house, which I will show you in this video, the glimpses of it I've recorded for you guys. And somehow it was very difficult. Initially, we didn't like the houses here. We didn't, we were like, oh God, what we have decided. And we found this house. And suddenly I was like, this is the place. Then on after 2-3 days, Siddharth stayed back in Radisson Blu. He joined the office, started working. I went back to Delhi, faced all the hassle of shifting, uninstalling. Then me, my Masi, my mom, my mother-in-law, we came back here along with our house help Sham, who's a gem of a guy, and we settled this place. And now today it's 19th of April, everything is settled, and hopefully in the next video I'll give you the house tour. There's a story behind it why I'm giving you a house tour so early. I'll share the story with you, but meanwhile you just
Last month, on 13th of March 2026, we went to Pune through SpiceJet. SpiceJet because my brother is our chief of flight safety in SpiceJet. Straight away, we went to our hotel room in Radisson Blu. Our room is quite decent, and after adjusting there, we straight away went for the house hunt. The video which you are seeing on screen right now is the fourth day of house hunt.
Hi, you guys. I mean, house hunt is like very difficult. Yeah, we're still on it. I'm not sure yet, but I think we'll take this house. Guys, so you remember that 6 months back I organized everything in this house, and this is the moment that we are installing everything. And it's okay. I'm still grateful. Life has its own plans. Pune, chapter Pune. This is the process, uninstalling process. My favorite corner of the house this used to be. Hi you guys, so today is the day that Norwegian Packers has arrived, and it's the first day of Navratri, Gudi Padwa. They are packing everything, and tonight they'll be leaving for Pune. So it's an emotional moment for me and Siddharth. Siddharth is not here, he's in Pune. Yes, it's very emotional. So guys, this used to be our library. I have made many videos on YouTube of this room. Guns and Letters by Sona, same channel. And this is a very emotional moment for me. Siddharth in Pune is also getting emotional, but we've learned to let go. What is not ours, just let go. This experience is teaching us how to let go. And here comes the truck. हाँ. So guys, this is how we permanently left Delhi and came to Pune. Honestly, I don't know until when we are in Pune. This is not our final destination, definitely. But yes, for now we are here. We are trying to enjoy. Also, in the next video, I'll give you the home tour. Some of you asked me that you wanted to see the Delhi New Jasola house, and when I was about to give you the house tour, we left the house. What was I waiting for? I mean, I was like, maybe some special occasion or something I would give Delhi house tour, but no. Now I've realized that no, nothing is permanent. So in the very next video, I'm gonna give you the slow living house tour of this house, and we are still following slow living, one breath at a time, one step at a time. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, you can comment, and you can just drop your comment in the box below, and please subscribe to the channel if you want to watch, if you don't want to miss the next videos. So this is how it is chapter Pune for now. We don't know what's stored in our journey of life next, but this is it for now. And if one thing you can take away from this video, if one value you can take away from this video, is don't be scared of the change. It's okay, it's scary first, but eventually it is good for you. So nothing is permanent. You've heard very cliche that nothing is permanent except changes. So cherish the changes, enjoy it, live in a day tight compartment, live like one day at a time, take small steps, and this is how life is. So we're trying to enjoy her, and let's see what happens further. Until then, wait for the next house tour video. Bye, you loves.